once again our Alcalde Tuburan 2024 candidate number.
Unity 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 7, Ms.
from the municipality of Balamban. Thank you so much for bearing with us tonight. And later on, we will have our program 24, and we have 10 beautiful and dazzling candidates vying for the title.
Julio said that's heavy. You got it if you want it. Got it if you want it.
Mga nag-inform, ang wala nag-inform, kilid lang. Kaya hindi sa picture ba? Kaya sakto na lang yung lugar din nga. Hali.
Bayam! Bayam! Ikay lang samuk-samuk kaya sa color, Bayam!
Barbie!
O babay may climbing yung tutorial.
Say, Chloe, di makita mong lang ulit gamay.